Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to update your PHP version on WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to log into your account. So after successfully logging into your account in the upper right corner and opening up your website, it's going to open up this main page where the left side screen you can see all the sections we can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now we can get started. Basically guys, if you want to update your PHP version on your WordPress website to make the site faster, more accessible, and so on, this is what we have to do. As you can see right here on the official WordPress.org website, there is a thread on how to get a faster, more secure website and how to update PHP. So basically guys, this is different for everybody. Depending on what hosting you are using, it's going to work differently. So as you can see guys, how to update your website PHP. So you can get started guys. PHP is already installed on the website server, so updating it involves either interacting with your host settings or asking your provider to do it for you. So what you want to do is message and get in contact with your provider and ask them how to get started with updating PHP using their provider. They're going to give you the detailed steps, how to get to their website, how you log in, and so on, and how to update your PHP because it is different for every provider. But basically you need to contact them directly and get instructions, as it's not going to be the same for everyone. So after doing so and refreshing your website, you will get the new PHP version. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.